But
Yeah,
we are able to do carry on our own.
yeah, yeah. I thought that point was kind of interesting to touch on because I never thought about that, like this point that we were discussing today about depending on our parents.
Thank you.
So like another, not only parents but like adults basically, like
Thank you, Anshu. Thank you. And I really appreciate your sincerity. Okay, so I'll just put forward one more question and then we'll end up our session. Okay, so now, for example, I'll just open up this for all of you. If we have a problem like these days, especially for the teenagers, there is a common problem of committing a suicide. So it's a material problem. You know, people, teenagers especially, they commit suicide. So what all you think can be the cause of that suicidal thing? What can be the cause of it? Just a,
dealing with a lot of homework or like dealing with school basically and their extracurriculum classes.
yeah, you can say frustration. Anybody else?
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure, very good. Anything else?
Stress.
Stress, nice. So there could be, these are the reasons. Now, this is a material problem. How you can guide someone, how it can be answered in a spiritual way. Can you all tell me now? This is a kind of a small test quiz kind of thing. What is the spiritual solution of it?
The
Mataji.
solution.
What is the spiritual solution of this problem of committing suicide?
The solution is chant Hare Krishna.
Okay, chant Hare Krishna. What else?
And first, like think before you do something.
Very good.
Can I say Mataji?
Yeah, go ahead.
We can read Bhagavad Gita because it has the solution to all the problems.
Very good. So reach out to Gita, reach out to your, open up, right? Suicidal cases are mostly because of some kind of frustration when you are stressed out, as you all have mentioned the various causes. But what is the root cause of that all causes is you don't open up. You don't share your things and everything, you take it up on your own. And in that way, you become frustrated and you become stressed out. So open up. When you open up, again, it boils down to the same point. When you have any problem, just don't bring it onto your small brains. Open it up, share it with your somebody who is senior to it. Maybe your siblings, maybe your parents, maybe your mentors. Open it up, not to the peers, as Khushi mentioned, because it's only through peer pressure that it gets worse. Because the peers' understanding will be the same as your understanding. I'm not saying it's not, you cannot share, you can share the problems, but don't try to seek guidance from the peers because their understanding, their functioning of brain will be the same as yours. So reach out to some higher authorities, those who are experienced. So similarly, like the problems of shooting of children, these days we are seeing that how children are simply shooting in the schools. So the cause may be some TV serials or maybe some kind of frustration. Then the spiritual solution is to give the value education to children. If you give this moral and value education, this kind of spiritual solution can be given. So why I'm saying this is that problems can be many, the causes are there, but the answers can be seeking into this spiritual thing. In spirituality, you can seek answers to all of the problems. That is why this chapter, whole chapter entitled was Material Problems, but Spiritual Solutions. And that is what we all talked about, getting in harmony with the Supreme Lord, understanding who is the Supreme Lord. Count your blessings, be grateful, chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, do this mantra meditation. It will really help. Okay, so anything else from your side?
Yes, Mataji. If you take guidance from your peers, then you should take guidance from your peers who take guidance from their parents.
Yes, you can do that, Krishna Chaitanya. Like you said that, but we have to be rest assured that we are taking the right guidance from the peers. So better to seek guidance from your own parents rather than seeking guidance from your peers who are taking guidance from their parents.
Yeah, better have it directly.
Yeah, thought process may be different. So better reach out to your parents and open up to your parents. That will really help. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so thank you all so much. So just an action points for next 3 weeks, because we'll meet after 3 weeks. You'll have cooking class, you'll have art class, and then you have your Vaishnava song class. So after 3 weeks, when we'll meet, till the time, the action points from this class is: be grateful, count your blessings, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, open up to your parents, and do your household chores. Reach out to your parents, do some household chores. So these are the 5 action points for all of you. Please do it for this whole 3 weeks, and then you will yourself see tremendous change in your life. Lot of positivity will be there in your life. Okay, so with that note, we'll end up. Thank you all so much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Haribo Mataji, thank you.
Hare
Hi, Bo Master.
Hare Krishna.
Haribo Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hi, Bo Master. Thank you, Master.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.